Welcome to this week's portfolio update. This week, I suffered a major loss in options. I kept holding the pack, which was losing, and almost lost all the capital, but still have confidence like I can recover from this one. If you see weekly on Friday, I lost around $400, and if you go to the weekly chart, see it's like $1,000. So last week it was 1,630, and now it is just 630. Around $1,000 I lost this week. The only option right now I'm holding is neo long term leap option. I would sell this one and get that amount for the options. So next week I don't have any buying power, nothing. I put another $50 on to Friday. That also was internal loss. So I told you like I am mostly on the bearish strategy. So when the market goes up, I lose money. Yeah, but I'll try to stick on to that and keep on doing some more dollars. We'll see what happens next week. Going to the portfolio update. Firstly, we'll go to the dividends. Dividends, I see like Aflac, they paid the dividend on 1st March, but in Robinhood it's not yet received. Other than that, the new dividend update is from Carter's. So current dividend is 0.75, they increased to zero point 0.8. So the percentage increase is 6.67. That is more than expected. Like our expectation is 4 to 5 percentage. Basic materials Lin, that's another share that increased the dividend. So currently they are paying 1.275 and upcoming dividend is 1.39 per quarter. So they also increased to 9 percentage. So everything will be paid on March 29th and 28th respectively. If you see other dividends declared, upcoming dividends is Disney, Comcast, UNP, Gen Digital, and Johnson& Johnson. The remaining thing, Costco, EPD, MAA, and Stellantis is yet to declare the dividend for this year, for this new quarter. Now if I go to the portfolio, you see there I couldn't add anything to the portfolio as everything was on a loss. So the total cost kept like 321 last week, and three currently the portfolios were 333. So as market went up, all the shares, average cost price, everything is in green. If you see, average cost price is now less than the current price. That's why it's in green. So last week Comcast was on a loss, like average cost price 41.81. Last week Comcast was below 41.8. Now that also increased to 42.8. On the portfolio side, everything is positive, and the average dividend is 0.74. Now, as it's a monthly update, we'll go to the graph. If you see, the portfolio started on December 20, 2022, and at that time, the average dividend is 0.99, keeps on increasing, and this is the original dividend paid or earned during that month, 14.21. So, January, February keeps on increasing. So, here I closed the M1 portfolio and there was a huge dip. So 200.9 and January dividend sense is 200.9 and the average dividend is 191. Now in February everything went and average dividend is 0.74. I didn't receive any dividends. So February it's $0 and average dividend is 0.74. Now let's calculate the financial dividend date. I'm sure it increased because I couldn't contribute anything. 0.74 monthly dividend. You see, right now the age is 483 and I'd be receiving 3 billion on that month, and financial independent date is 2468, 2468, May 21st, and current target is 5335.82. So we'll see you next week, and hopefully I can contribute some amount to this dividend portfolio. Also, I will be receiving dividends from Aflac, and also that might be like a trip share. So that would be our first trip. We'll see you next week. We'll see the update next week. That's it for the week. Thank you.